Happy New Year! I am excited to grace your screens with this beautiful tutorial. I cannot make this video without thanking you for your support. Some of you shared contact of dealers of the plates, you shared the images, and even after posting in the community, some of you have been on my neck to edit the video. I am super grateful to you all for your contributions. I'm using fishing line 0.6, 2 plates, a scissors, and sugar or square beads. I'm using the transparent. To begin, I will cut some of the fishing line and insert it in any of the holes and knots. I will pass the left fishing line through the hole in where I made the knot from inside. Afterwards, I will put 1 bead in the left fishing line, 2 in the right, and then make a knot in the 3rd bead with the right fishing line. For a better understanding, let's name the part of the plate facing me to be A and the one on the table B. So I will insert the fishing line from B to A. The left one, I'll pass it from B to A. Then I'll add 1 bead to the left fishing line and 2 to the right fishing line. I always make a knot whenever I am working with big beads, and so that is all that I will be doing throughout this step. My attention has been drawn to 2 channels that have used 2 of my videos from A to Z without any form of editing by YouTube. I will let it go. I will take no action against them, but I am not going to tolerate that again from any other channel. You can learn from my video. Sit down and make your own video, edit and upload on your channel, but don't download my video and post it on your channel as if it is your own video. And then the surprising thing is that in one of the videos I sat down to do the intro with my face, so I don't know whether this person will not show his or her face ever on the channel. Back to business. I would advise that you make the fishing line a little longer so that you don't have to end it at this level as I found myself. Should that happen, you have to weave backwards, making several knots in the work you have done to secure the fishing line. Then you start with a new one from where you ended. This is the last part at this stage, so I'm going to go through the hole and then add the 3 beads with the left fishing line so I can step up. This is how the other side will look like. We have begun a new level, so here I will add 3 beads with the right fishing line. Then I'll enter the next bead on my left and add 2 with my right. So I'll repeat this until I get to the last bead. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, this is Bead with Nana. On this platform, I share short but in-depth tutorials on beaded bags, slippers, everything beads. And so if you are interested in bead craft, kindly subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are much appreciated. Those of you that shares pictures with me, I am super grateful to you. I have gotten some of the materials, and in due time I'm going to share the lessons with you. So keep the ideas coming. Again, if you don't mind, after making your bags, you can tag me on Instagram or on WhatsApp. You send it to me on WhatsApp and I will share it here for the whole world to see what you have also done. Flip the work from your right to your left. This is what I mean. The beads are at your right hand side of the plate, so fold it so that they will face the part that lays on the table. I hope you get it. I beaded around it 5 times off camera, but when you count it together with the beads around the plate, it's supposed to be 7. So I started with a new fishing line and I began as I started this whole project by making a knot around the other half of the plate. With the right fishing line, I will pick 1 gold bead and enter 1 white bead. Then with the left, I will pick 1 bead, a golden bead. Then with the right again, I will add the other bead to also have 4 beads. I'm going to enter the next bead on my right, and then with the left I will pass it through the hole down, up. Then I will add 1 bead with the left and then add the 4th bead with my right. If you are left-handed, you add with your left. You can interchange, however. If you have any video idea you want to share, you can reach me on the number on the screen. Those of you that want me to give you a free off YouTube tutorial, please be kind enough to share data, because I download your works with data to correct and also share with you. So when you are doing that, please be kind enough to also share data with me. Thank you. So this is it. You can use one color to make it two colors. You can use any type of bead or color to make yours. And then for the handle, I chose colorful big beads to complement the colors that I use. When you exclude the green and the royal blue at the extreme, you have 5 beads in the middle. So I'm going to attach the handle on the pink. So I'll insert a fishing line through the pink bead, then I'll put the two ends of the fishing line together to string the beads for the handle. Unfortunately, the part where I completed wasn't captured, and so I am going to use a video from another lesson that I have shared. Bead, and afterwards I will weave through and secure the rest of the fishing lines with a crimp bead. Crimp beads are also known as stoppers in Ghana, and I have chosen to work with stoppers because I think that they are the best alternative when it comes to making these types of handles. Immediately I completed, the bag was taken away from me, and I forgot to even take better photos for thumbnail. However, I want to say thank you for watching from the beginning up to this time. We are in this together, so keep the ideas coming. I appreciate your love, your support, and everything that you have been giving this platform. Until I come again with another lesson. Bye bye.